Want to add products to your WooCommerce store? Let's jump in. In this video, we'll show you how to manually add a simple product to your WooCommerce store. First, go to Products in your WordPress dashboard under WooCommerce and click Add New. Now, add your product's title and description. WooCommerce provides fields for both a long description and a short description. The short one appears right under the product title on the product page, and the long one appears on the product description tab. Next, in the product data section, select Simple Product and add the pricing. You can set a regular price as well as a sale price. Under Inventory, add a unique SKU, enable stock management if needed, and set stock status to in stock, out of stock, or on back order. In the Shipping tab, add the product's weight and dimensions, and assign any shipping classes based on your product and shipping policies. For linked products, set up any upsells or cross-sells. For example, if you're selling a smartphone, you could suggest a compatible watch as an upsell and a screen protector as a cross-sell. In Attributes, you can add custom details as attributes to help customers filter products by their preferences. For instance, for a phone, you can add an attribute like storage capacity with options such as 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes. Attributes are also essential for creating variable products in WooCommerce. For more details, check our other video on variable products. Next, move to the Advanced tab, where you can add a purchase note and enable customer reviews. Now, let's add visuals. In the Product Gallery section, upload multiple images and set a main product image that will serve as the thumbnail on your store. Don't forget to add categories and tags for easier organization and searchability in your store. When you're done, hit Publish in the top right corner. You can preview your product to see how it looks in your store. And that's it. You've successfully created a product in WooCommerce. Adding products is easy, requires no extra plugins, and keeps your store organized and visually appealing. Pro tip: to boost your store's average order value, try offering in-cart product recommendations or milestone-based rewards in the side cart. This encourages customers to add more items as they work towards a reward, increasing your average order value. Ready to add more products to your WooCommerce store and need help? Shoot us an email at support@funnelkit.com. Happy selling!